The hope and the goal is to get through Friday with just enough rain to continue to help firefighters get the upper hand on this blaze, but not too much rain where it might cause flooding or debris flows in the area. Strong winds and dark clouds were the precursor to one downpour that began just after 6 p.m. Thursday. People in local communities filled sandbags earlier this week in the event of flooding. Meanwhile, backhoes and bulldozers, those crews were establishing barriers near area streams in case they do experience floods or debris flows. If these communities, again, can escape flooding through Friday, officials say things are looking a lot better and a lot drier moving into this weekend. But so far, the monsoon weather is helping.
It's adding a lot of moisture to the air, which takes out a lot of that dry heat that really fuels fire activity. It is also adding moisture to the ground at the moment. That is helping to kind of put out those ground flames and allowing crews to fight the fire more directly. Because the ground is so scorched right now, it can't retain any water, any moisture. So a lot of times that will come off, and that's kind of where we get those floods and that debris from. But it does help, again, kind of mitigate that extreme fire behavior.
These communities near the Widemouth 2 wildfire have been through a lot over the past 2.5 weeks, including evacuations and dealing with lots of smoke. You can see the appreciation in signs all around the area thanking first responders for all they've done and continue to do. Now, all of this is subject to change in the event that there are a downpour or several downpours throughout the day Friday, but so far, so good. In Fillmore, Scott McCain, Fox 13 News, Utah.